Hello students, today we are going to start new chapter 2, storing the computer work. Today in this chapter we are going to learn about the importance of storage devices and memory of computer. So let's start. The importance of storage. Storage plays an important part in our daily lives. In our daily life, we store many things. We store names and addresses of our friends in a diary so that we do not forget the details and can also carry it with us. In computers, we store computer work in storage devices so that can open it anytime later and can also carry it with us like hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, etc. Now, storage devices. Storage devices store our computer work so that it gets permanently stored and can be opened anytime later. Hard disk. The hard disk drive, commonly known as hard disk, is the main device that computer uses to store information. It is fixed inside the CPU cabinet or CPU box. Students, I am going to show you. This is the hard disk. You can see in the circle, and it is fixed inside the CPU box or cabinet. This is called cabinet or CPU box. Clear? Now, compact disc or CD. A CD is shiny circular disc that stores information. You need a CD writer to transfer information on a CD. What is the full form of CD? Compact disc. You can see the picture. I would like to show you one thing. The capacity of CD is 700 MB. You can see in the circle 700 MB is written. It means the capacity of this CD is 700 MB. And what is the meaning of CDR? CDR means compact disc recordable. It means it can be stored data. Now, digital versatile disc DVD. A DVD looks just like a CD, but it can hold much more information. You need a DVD writer to transfer information on a DVD. The capacity of storing the data is 4.7 GB. Clear, students? Now, pen drive. A pen drive is a small key ring sized device that can be used to easily transfer files between computers. It is very easy to use plug-in the CPU. The storage capacity of pen drive is 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB or more than 32 GBs. Memory of computer. The main memory of computer is called random access memory or RAM. It is a temporary memory which stores information inside the computer till it is not switched off. We have a memory to store thoughts and ideas, but this memory is temporary. We need to forget the things very often after some time. Students, this picture is just like you. I forget what my mother told me to bring. I should have noted it down on a piece of paper. But in computer, same as it is, random access memory RAM is temporary like your brain memory. When you switch off the computer will not be able to remember what it was doing. See, an old man is there and he was doing something, but the electricity went off and his work is lost, just like you. When you will not notice down or noted down any work in the diary, then after within 2 days or within few days you will be forget. Same as it is, if the electricity will off, then your work will be lost if you will not save it. Thank you for watching. If the video is knowledgeable, please like and subscribe the channel.